Going up the steps. Oh, a nickel. Where's nickel? Don't touch my nickel! Oh, I didn't know it's your nickel. Oh, so you like touching nickels? So you like touching nickels, huh? Bunny, what are you doing? He's been a bad boy. Sonic, bad boy. He needs some spankings. Spankings? Oh, I've been waiting a long time for this. Yeah, hold him down. Yeah, hold him down, Sonic. All right. Ow! 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 What do you mean? Get a bar of soap and let's beat the shit out of him. Okay? Alright, open your mouth. I'll beat the shit out of him. Get the belt. Get the belt. Spank him. Spank him. What do you want to do with him, Sonic? Keep beating the crap out of him. Okay. Alright, Sonic, I'll take the rest of this. You can go. Alright, dude. Please, duck. Strangle. Help me. Tell my mother I hated her. Yeah, I'm gonna tell her I'm gonna tell her that you were a piece of shit. Nobody's gonna come to your funeral, you piece of shit. Well, he's learned his lessons, guys. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Hey guys, I know this video was pretty short, but couldn't find a video to make because my puppet, I left it at school in my locker. So yeah, my puppet, Shepard, I took off his clothes and stuff. So yeah, he'll probably be in the next video. And yep, please like and subscribe. This video will be edited. I know I couldn't use sound effects, but I have sound effects now. So yeah, please tell me if the camera's good and stuff. But please like and subscribe. Oh yeah, and if you guys know Marquise Marshall, comment down yes in the description below. He's my cousin. He's related to Gage Brown. Gage Brown's my cousin. He's 12. He has a convertible Marquise. Well, please like and subscribe.